Jingplie Dukan Khyndiat Sngi ber Khyndiat kenta Shillong beper hanong ba Shillong kalawan ra jinge ka bakrau ki pai ba namar ba ki babon ki ami ne ki yeng ki sem ban le thet mar da jing shaptin ba yo yo shu ki mar ba ki kwa lai I ba ki babon ki Shillong hanong ba Shillong ki la play ki dukan tang ara ne lai sngi ha ka shitiyo ha ka por ba yai ka lockdown ben ban ka ni ka wan ra ki je nyom ki pai ba ha ki babon ki jakang Haga bede bagani ba President song menteri rang ba banrap ka Sorkar jela ulong ba ka Sorkar kala IT ha ki DC bari DC lai penbet berkirang ba Shillong ban play ki dukan.
She already called a meeting with all the concerned Rambashnong in Shillong city, and they were the one who proposed that okay, in locality A we open 2 days in a week or maybe 3 days in a week. That we did not interfere. From the government side, we said, okay, whatever recommendation made by the respective locality authority, we just issue order accordingly.
Hindrela Raja baka Jingplie Dukan Khyndiat si kawan ra ka jingkhangnya bad yanyom ki pai ba ka Sorkar kan perkhat bad Bishar Biang ya kani ka rukom.
We will, I think I will discuss with DC. Because see, wherever rush is taken place, I think even the local authority needs to again revisit the decision. And we are flexible for that. It depends on the local authority, number one. And number two, even the DC has to take a call on it.